Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. This week I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup within 5 minutes. Oh, well, there's mascara up of my eye. Alright, well, so I tried to film this video last night and it didn't like turn out how I wanted it to, and so when I looked at the video I was like, ew. So here I am refilming it. The clip in from last night I was on FaceTime with Sydney and she was like, alright, well, let's get on to the video. And we both went, phew. So I'm gonna put that clip in because it's cuter. Alright, well, I'll see you at the end of the video.
Wait, which way am I going the right way? Like this hand?
No, do the other hand.
The other hand. What do?
Like, go like that. So without further ado, me and Sydney think we should get on to the video. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so first we're gonna start off. I know like my ears stick out. I hate putting my hair back, but I kind of needed to. So I'm starting a timer. So we'll start out with Benefit Professional. Put that on my nose. And then I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. And I'm putting that I'm gonna conceal underneath my eyes. And I do that in triangles. A couple, because my face is 2 different colors. Okay, so I'm just doing that right there. And then to make sure it stays locked in place, because I wear this to like dance in the mornings when I'm running late. So I'm going to use some NYC Smooth Skin baking powder, and then this will just bake. This just bakes my face and keeps it all there.
Ew.
Okay. Next thing I do is I curl my eyelashes. Oh wait, hold up. JK. Next thing I do is I do my eyebrows. If I look close, this does not look as good as I think. Okay. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm always late to the bus too, so like, can't wait till I can drive myself to school. It'll be quite a life. Oh my gosh, they look horrible. I want to cry! That's horrible! Ew, stop talking like that.
Stop freaking out about it. It really doesn't look that bad. It really looks good.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna finish it, then I'll tell you that. Okay, love you, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we've got like a minute left, and I finished my brows. They're not very good. They're not looking too snazzy over here. Okay, next I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I'm just curling them with the e.l.f. curler, and then I'm applying Too Faced mascara. So I wiped my bake off, and now I'm adding. So I wiped my bake off, and now I'm adding Sweet Peach Glow from Too Faced, and I think I have to hurry up because I don't know if I have really much time. Also, my skin's really dry right now because I haven't washed it today because, I mean, I didn't wash it this morning, I forgot. So let's ignore that like my face is about to crust off.
No! That's not it. Not it, sis.
I'm adding Anastasia Glow Kit highlight to my face. I'm adding it to my nose and adding it to my cheekbones, or yeah. Bottom lash mascara. That was a weird timer. Okay, well we're done anyway, so that's good. So this is about it because the timer just went off and I finished it within 5 minutes and it was just really easy to do, so I hope this helped you. So this is usually what I do when I and that you're able to learn how I do my makeup within, oh my gosh. Alright guys, so I hope this helped you and it taught you how to learn, sorry, I just woke up and my voice sounds horrible. You learned how to do makeup within 5 minutes. This is like my rush day makeup and how I just throw everything on. If you want to keep up with me, make sure you follow my Instagram, which is parisroseprince. Click the bell down below, click the subscribe button, and stay tuned for new videos every Tuesday. If you want to follow my other social medias, Snapchat, which is parisrose23, and my VSco, which is parisroseprince. The shout out for this week goes to Darcy Cato. I'll put her little thing right there. She's really active on my account, and I just really appreciate all the support she gives me, so that is the shout out for this week. If you want to be the shout out for next week's video, make sure you're following my Instagram and staying active on my YouTube, and give me a shout out on your story. I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next week. Bye!